Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I wanted to make a really easy nut milk for you guys without straining like almond milk can be, without too much soaking. Cashew milk is awesome. So I've got these soaked cashews. You want to get raw cashews, not salted, not roasted, just raw cashews, and then you're just going to soak them overnight. It just makes it easier on everyone. You could soak them a little bit less time and it would still be okay digestively, but the longer you soak them, the easier they are to digest, so why not? So you're gonna soak these overnight, and then after you soak them in that water, you're gonna dump it into a strainer and rinse the cashews. So that's where I am now. This has been rinsed, they've been soaked. I'm now going to add this to my blender. I'm gonna do a little less so that it's a milk. We've got dates, medjool dates. I'm gonna add, I think 2 dates to this, and sea salt. And then we've got water. So the cool thing about this is that you can do all sorts of different things with cashews. So you could make a creamer out of this. If you wanted to do a creamer, you would do a 2-to-1 ratio. So for every ounce of cashews, you would double the water if you wanted a creamer. If you want to make something like a whole milk, you'll do a 3-to-1 ratio. And if you want to make something more like a 2% milk or a thinner milk, you'll do a 4-to-1 ratio of water to cashews. Hopefully that makes sense. We'll also write it down for you as a cheat sheet. So I'm doing the 3-to-1 ratio right now to make a cashew milk that's kind of in between like a cow's milk or a whole milk and a 2% milk. I'm going to do 2 dates to sweeten it up. You could also add our Philosophie honey here. And then I'm going to add some sea salt. This is pink Himalayan sea salt. It has great minerals and it'll bring out the flavor of the milk. And then we're adding our water and that's it. So I'm doing, this is 40 ounces of water. Make sure it's really good high quality water too. You're not using tap water here. And then you're just gonna blend until it's smooth and creamy. Watch this, this is where the magic happens. It's gonna turn into milk. I mean, look how cool that is. Tell me that's not the most impressive thing in the world. We've got milk here. And I'm actually out of, I'm so excited right now. I'm out of dairy-free creamer, so I'm gonna make that right after this. So basically all I'm gonna do is take these cashews and just add a little bit of water, 2-to-1 ratio, and I'm gonna have creamer. I'm so excited. So, yep, you can make this in like a bunch of different variations. You could add a pinch of cinnamon to this. You could add some nutmeg and make it a really fun flavor like that for the fall. You could, oh, it smells so good. You could add fresh vanilla to this or vanilla extract. I'm going to pour it back into this beautiful mason jar and store it with a lid in the fridge. And then you can just use it just as you would milk. You can use it in cereal, you can use it to pour over granola, you could have it as a base in smoothies. So freaking cool. I'm actually gonna steal a sip real quick. Oh, it's so good. Why would anyone drink milk when you could have this? And look at how easy that was and fast. Comment below, let me know your favorite type of nut milk. Or dairy-free milk. I really like hemp milk also, it's super simple. And if you like making almond milk, no shame. It's fun to drain it, it's just drain it as long as you're inspired. That's it, thank you so much. Love you all, mwah.